Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are taking you on a POV test drive of the 2024 Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek. This one has a Canadian MSRP of about $55,000 and a USD of about $43,000. Let's use the remote starter here and let's start it up. Very quick on the remote starter. You get the approach, lock and unlock. Jump on in, push button start. Several different drive modes in this. We got our auto mode, our eco mode, our sport mode, snow, mud and rut mode. Don't forget your tow mode for those of you who are towing. And there is a sand mode. I'm gonna throw her in sport mode and try out these paddle shifters. I love the gear shift as well. It's a very comfortable gear shift. More value with the Rock Creek is the tubular roof rails that you get on top. So these are specific to this package. You get those tubular roof rails and they can hold up to 220 pounds. So certainly like the roof rails, especially if you're camping. Now let's try a little launch here. Boom, boom. Not bad. So this one is gonna come with a 3.5 liter V6 engine and a 9-speed automatic transmission. It's got 284 horsepower, 259 pounds-feet of torque. Now you can up the horsepower if you use premium fuel. It's gonna up your horsepower to about 311 horsepower. And what you get with this Rock Creek edition, you get the unique front grille, and it does have the kind of reflector fog lights in the front grille. You have all this orange stitching throughout the car with the Rock Creek badging. You have the interior emblems, you have the exterior emblems, all done in orange. The leatherette seats come with this Rock Creek edition. The biggest thing you get are these unique tires. So you have the different rims with the bead locks and the all-terrain tires, which are gonna help you when you're hitting those trails if you so choose to do that. I love how there's no CVT in this. I love how you have these paddle shifters. I guess it revs pretty high here. The sport mode does kind of have a little bit of a noise to it. I'm just gonna drop it down to economy and see if that's similar. And there's our auto mode. So the noise is different to me, but I feel it's also due to the tires as well. I also enjoy how this one comes with an 8-passenger configuration. And I love all the safety features that Nissan offers. Pro Pilot Assist, intelligent cruise control. You have the blind spot monitor and the lane departure warning. You also get the automatic high beam assistant. Some things I don't like about the car: there's no sunroof. You have just a basic sound system. It's a 6 audio speaker sound system. Very little blind spots. My only blind spot that I see is in the back when I have that back headrest up. So if you have 8 people in here, you ain't looking out your back.
Out of here, mister!
You're using the mirrors mostly here. We just did a full review of this car and we posted it, going through all the ins and outs. And let's accelerate here. Oh, very easy acceleration. Nice to get up to 100 real quick coming onto the on-ramp. Now let's try out some of those safety features. So I'm gonna turn my Pro Pilot Assist on. I just need to push it on. We also have a full tutorial of this posted on our channel. So if you guys wanna know how to use the Pro Pilot Assist, check out the tutorial. The link is in the description. See, now it's centered in the lane and I'm just gonna take this turn nice and smooth. I don't even have to have my hands on the wheel. You can see it taking the turn and keeping me centered in the lane. Now, I want to talk about that lane departure warning. If I deviate from the lane, see it beeping at me there? It's beeping at me there and it's flashing here, telling me, hey, you're changing lanes without signaling or you're deviating from the lane. Now let's make a lane change here. So I turn my signal on and the Pro Pilot Assist does shut off. It's gonna use the intelligent cruise control to keep me a safe distance from the car in front of me here. And now it's locked back in. So certainly makes it easier when you're driving on the highway. You just lock in your Pro Pilot Assist and it's a pretty easy and smooth ride. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, great for the winter time. So can't complain. Overall, to conclude about this, if you guys want to learn more about the Rock Creek, check out our full review. Again, the link's in the description below. If you guys want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. But if you are that weekend warrior type, you are going camping, you are towing things, you are four-wheeling or things like that, and you have more than 5 people in your family, this is certainly one to put on your shopping list. Links in the description below for St. Catharines Nissan, where you can come and test drive this vehicle with me. And if you guys have questions, as always, put them in the comments here below, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.